Hello. Today we explore the PiNetwork and its potential future. PiNetwork allows users to mine Pi coins from their mobile phones. It aims to make crypto accessible to all. Millions worldwide have joined this growing network. Currently, Pi is in its enclosed mainnet phase. Transactions are limited to users within the Pi ecosystem. The community eagerly awaits the open mainnet. This would allow Pi coins to be traded on exchanges. A listing on Coinbase would be monumental for PiNetwork. It would signal legitimacy and accessibility for Pi coin. Coinbase is a household name in the cryptocurrency world. Founded in 2012, it has grown to become a publicly traded company. This gives it a strong reputation for trust and security. Millions of users rely on Coinbase to buy, sell, and store cryptocurrencies. Its platform is known for being easy to use. Coinbase bridges traditional finance and the crypto economy. A potential PiNetwork listing on Coinbase would signify major validation. It could catapult Pi coin into mainstream consciousness. Coinbase operates with a clear and ambitious mission. It aims to create an open financial system for the world. This vision is about more than just trading cryptocurrencies. It is about leveraging blockchain technology. The goal is to build a more accessible, efficient, and equitable financial infrastructure. Coinbase believes that everyone, everywhere, should have access to financial services. They see cryptocurrency as a powerful tool to achieve this global inclusivity. This mission guides their business decisions and product development. To achieve this mission, Coinbase focuses on several key areas. Primarily, it provides a safe and regulated platform for accessing cryptocurrencies. This includes a wide range of digital assets. Beyond trading, Coinbase is also building foundational infrastructure for the crypto economy. This includes custody solutions for institutions. It also involves tools for developers and payment systems for merchants. By building these components, Coinbase aims to foster innovation. They want to make it easier for others to build on top of this new financial system. Coinbase plays a crucial role in bridging the gap between traditional finance and the crypto economy. PiNetwork's core vision is refreshingly simple yet profoundly ambitious. It aims to make cryptocurrency accessible to ordinary people everywhere around the globe. The project was founded by Stanford PhDs. They recognized that early cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin were hard for many to obtain. Mining required technical expertise and expensive hardware. Buying crypto often involved complex exchanges. PiNetwork seeks to overcome these barriers. It wants to put the power of cryptocurrency into the hands of everyday users. The most distinctive feature of PiNetwork is its mobile-first mining approach. Users can mine Pi coins on their smartphones. This process does not drain battery or data significantly. It is designed to be light and easy. This innovative method lowers the barrier to entry dramatically. Anyone with a smartphone can participate. This contrasts sharply with the energy-intensive mining of Bitcoin. Pi's approach has enabled it to build a massive global community. Millions of users engage with the app daily, contributing to the network's security and growth. Beyond just distributing coins, PiNetwork is focused on building a large and engaged community. This community, known as pioneers, is central to the project's strategy. Section 5. Aligning Visions, PiNetwork and Coinbase's Shared Goals. When we compare the visions of PiNetwork and Coinbase, interesting parallels emerge. PiNetwork's slogan, "Cryptocurrency for Everyone," resonates strongly with Coinbase's mission. Coinbase aims to create an open financial system for the world. Both organizations, through different means, strive for greater financial inclusion. They both see the potential of digital currencies to empower individuals. They want to break down traditional barriers to financial participation. This shared philosophical underpinning could form the basis of a powerful synergy. Both platforms are fundamentally about expanding access. PiNetwork does this at the grassroots level. It allows anyone with a smartphone to participate in mining and earning cryptocurrency. This approach has already brought millions into the crypto space, many for the first time. Coinbase, on the other hand, provides a regulated and user-friendly platform. It allows people to easily buy, sell, and use established cryptocurrencies. It serves as a trusted entry point for those ready to engage with the broader crypto market. A listing on Coinbase could bring PiNetwork's massive user base into the wider crypto ecosystem. Many Pi users are new to cryptocurrencies. Section 6. Navigating the Regulatory Maze. Compliance for Coinbase listing. Regulatory compliance is a critical factor for any cryptocurrency project today. It is especially important for projects aiming for a listing on a major exchange like Coinbase. Coinbase operates in highly regulated jurisdictions, particularly the United States. It must adhere to strict legal and financial regulations. This means any project listed on its platform must also meet high standards of compliance. For PiNetwork, navigating this regulatory maze will be a significant undertaking. It is a necessary step towards achieving broader legitimacy and market access. Coinbase is known for its stringent listing requirements. Its due diligence process is thorough and multifaceted. Projects are evaluated on various criteria. These include the security of their technology and the legality of their operations. The team behind the project is scrutinized. The tokenomics or the economics of the coin are carefully reviewed. Legal opinions may be required to ensure the token is not considered an unregistered security. PiNetwork will need to prepare comprehensive documentation. It must demonstrate its commitment to transparency and regulatory adherence. Section 7. Community excitement and potential market dynamics. The PiNetwork community, often called pioneers, is one of the project's greatest assets. This global community is characterized by its strong belief in Pi's vision. Millions of users actively participate in the network. They engage in discussions and contribute to the ecosystem's growth. The anticipation for significant milestones like an open mainnet launch or a major exchange listing is palpable. A potential Coinbase listing in particular is a frequent topic of hopeful conversation. It represents a major validation of their collective efforts and patience. News or even strong rumors of a Coinbase listing would undoubtedly electrify the Pi community. It could lead to a surge in engagement and positive sentiment. Such an event would be seen as a reward for their long-term commitment. It could also attract new users to PiNetwork, further expanding its reach. The community's reaction would likely be amplified across social media platforms. This grassroots enthusiasm can be a powerful marketing force. It can generate significant organic buzz around PiCoin, drawing wider attention from the crypto world and beyond. Section 8. Overcoming hurdles, PiNetwork's path to listing success. For PiNetwork to achieve a successful listing on Coinbase, several key challenges must be addressed. First and foremost is the technical readiness of its mainnet. The transition from enclosed mainnet to a fully open mainnet needs to be seamless and secure. This open network must be robust enough to handle a large volume of transactions. It must also be capable of interacting with external systems like exchanges. Any technical glitches or vulnerabilities could delay or derail a listing. Rigorous testing and auditing are essential. Another critical hurdle is demonstrating sufficient decentralization. Coinbase and regulators generally favor projects that are not centrally controlled. PiNetwork needs to clearly show that its consensus mechanism is secure. It must prove that its governance structure promotes community involvement. The distribution of Pi coins should also be seen as fair and widespread. Addressing any concerns about centralization will be vital for gaining the trust of exchanges and the broader crypto market. This is a fundamental aspect of blockchain integrity. Section 9. Conclusion. A potential milestone for crypto accessibility. In conclusion, the potential listing of PiNetwork on Coinbase represents far more than just another token addition. It would be a landmark event. It would signify the convergence of a unique, community-driven crypto project with a leading mainstream exchange. As we stand in mid-2025, the crypto landscape continues to evolve rapidly. Such a listing could mark a significant step forward for PiNetwork. It could also offer valuable lessons for other projects aiming for mass adoption. The journey is complex, but the destination holds great promise. This potential move strongly aligns with the shared goals of both organizations. PiNetwork's vision of cryptocurrency for everyone and Coinbase's mission to build an open financial system both point towards greater financial inclusivity. A listing could unlock new levels of accessibility for millions of Pi users. It could also introduce Coinbase's user base to a novel project with a vast, engaged community. This synergy could accelerate the mainstream adoption of cryptocurrencies. It could help bridge the gap between early adopters and the wider global population. The road to a Coinbase listing is undoubtedly challenging for PiNetwork.